What are some examples of fraudulent conveyance? Have you ever wondered how some businesses manage to hide their assets during tough financial times? Today, we will discuss the concept of fraudulent conveyance and provide examples to help you understand it better. Fraudulent conveyance is when a debtor transfers assets to avoid paying creditors. This can happen in various ways, and it is important to be aware of these actions, especially in the context of bankruptcy and business debts. One common example of fraudulent conveyance is hiding assets. Imagine a business owner who has a significant amount of cash in a bank account. To keep that money away from creditors, they might transfer it to a family member or friend. This way, when creditors come knocking, they cannot access those funds. This practice is illegal and can lead to serious consequences. Another example is pre-bankruptcy sales. A debtor might sell valuable property, such as a car or equipment, to a friend at a very low price, intending to buy it back later. This tactic keeps the asset out of reach of creditors during bankruptcy proceedings. For instance, if a business owner sells a piece of machinery worth $50,000 for $10,000, this could be seen as an attempt to defraud creditors. Then, there are undervalued transfers. This occurs when someone sells property for much less than its market value. For example, if a debtor sells a house worth $200,000 for $50,000 to a relative, that transaction could be considered fraudulent. It raises red flags because it appears the debtor is trying to shield assets from creditors. Insolvency transfers are also a concern. If a business is already struggling financially and transfers assets, it may be viewed as fraudulent. For instance, if a company sells its inventory while lacking enough capital to operate, this action could be challenged in bankruptcy court. Understanding these examples of fraudulent conveyance is essential for anyone involved in business. Bankruptcy laws allow trustees to review transactions made before filing for bankruptcy. If they find fraudulent conveyances, they can reverse those transactions. This ensures that all creditors have a fair chance to recover their debts. Moreover, business owners should be aware of personal liability for business debts. If a court determines that a business owner intentionally engaged in fraudulent conveyance, they may face legal consequences. This could include personal liability for the business debts, which means their personal assets could be at risk. In summary, fraudulent conveyance is a serious issue that can affect both businesses and individuals. By recognizing the examples we discussed, you can better navigate the complexities of bankruptcy and protect yourself from potential legal troubles.